Hey everyone, welcome to our channel LifeToExperience. So today we are heading into Shivanasamudra, which is about 130 kilometers from Bangalore, and this is going to be a one-day trip for us. Since we are living in south part of the Bangalore, that is Bannerkatta, for us the convenient route is going to be Kanakpura road. We will be taking the Jigni Harohalli road, and then we are going to reach the Kanakpura bypass, and then onwards we will reach to Shivanasamudra. We arrived at Barachukki Falls around 2:30 pm, and with lunchtime already upon us, we decided to first enjoy a meal at the nearby Mayura hotel before heading to explore the falls. We had our lunch and it was delightful. The hotel is nestled in a stunningly beautiful location, and we decided to spend some time capturing the lush greenery around us. After spending some time enjoying the serene surroundings near the hotel, we made our way to the falls. The entrance fee was just 5 rupees per head. Now we are climbing down the stairs to reach the viewpoint, offering a closer and breathtaking view of the falls. The breathtaking view of Barachukki Falls was just amazing. We had planned to visit Gaganachukki Falls, but it was already too late, and the entry to the falls is only allowed until 5 o'clock. It's already 5 here, so we decided to skip it and instead visit some ancient temples on our way back to Bangalore. In about 200 meters from Barachukki Falls, there is an ancient temple, Sri Prasanna Meenakshi Someshwara Temple. So this temple is about 4000 years old, and it is said to be built by Cholas. This temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati, known for its rich history and spiritual significance. Prasanna Meenakshi, a serene form of Goddess Parvati. It is said that Adi Shankaracharya consecrated the Sri Chakra here to invoke the goddess's tranquil presence and bless devotees with the fulfillment of their wishes. There is an ancient banyan tree in front of the temple, and circling it is believed to grant the fulfillment of wishes, adding a special spiritual significance to the visit. Right next to the Prasanna Meenakshi Temple is the Someshwara Temple. Both temples are beautifully surrounded by lush gardens and vibrant flower plants, enhancing the serene and spiritual atmosphere of the area. The sound of the falls combined with the tranquility of the lush green gardens creates an atmosphere of spiritual peace, making it a truly serene experience. This temple is located in a village called as Shivanasamudra. It is a charming village located in the Mandya district of Karnataka, where the Cauvery River splits into two streams, creating an island-like formation. This unique geographical feature gives rise to two spectacular waterfalls, Ranganatha and Barachukki. Located just 2 kilometers away from the Prasanna Meenakshi Someshwara Temple, the Ranganathaswamy Temple is a historic gem believed to be over 4000 years old. This temple is also known as Madhyama Ranga, dedicated to Lord Vishnu. It is one of the important shrines in the Ranganathaswamy Temple tradition and is believed to be the middle of three Ranganatha temples, with the other two being Adiranga, located in Srirangapatna, and Antyaranga, located in the town of Tirumukudal Narsipur, which is in Tamil Nadu. Madhyamaranga is said to have been established during the Chola dynasty and has significant religious importance for devotees of Lord Vishnu. Our one-day trip to Shivanasamudra comes to an end. We hope you enjoyed this journey with us. If you liked the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like, share and comment below with suggestions of places you'd like us to visit for our next vlog. We would love to hear from you. Take care and have a great time.